Beautiful avocado cream with beautiful moisturizing effect and natural essence of avocado. Though I have put here chandan essence here, but actually avocado has got its own natural essence. Please do see the entire video to get the flavor of it. Hello everyone, I'm Tora Odhikari. Welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I have shown the medicinal use of avocado, fruit avocado, okay? And in that video only I told all of you that I will come with avocado cream. So here are some pieces of avocado fruit. You see, the small pieces. I will just smash it in the mixie and come back to you. See, I've smashed the avocado. I hope all of you can see it. Now, I will pour a few drops of rose water, and again, once again, I will go to the mixie and again I'll smash it. I want to make it in semi-liquid condition. That's the only reason I will put few drops of rose water to it. This is the end product which I have got. I will strain it with the strainer. Okay. Now here what I've taken is, I've taken little rice and I have powdered that rice, though not in a very powdered form. Rice and little water to it. I've soaked it overnight and I've done that. Achha. Along with that, you see, I've got many things in this solution. I've given neem leaves also. Very small. There also I have in the mixie. I've tried to paste it, but it was not totally paste. I don't want that also, not totally to be done. Okay, I just want to keep it in this position only. Okay, so that is there here. And fresh aloe vera leaves I have got plant, and juice of aloe vera leaf is also there. Achha, along with that, I have poured 1 tablespoon of glycerine. Okay, this is glycerine. 1 tablespoon of glycerine I have put. Not tablespoon, I'm very sorry, teaspoon of glycerine, and teaspoon of Bertolli's olive oil, 1 teaspoon of almond oil. These are the things which I have put it here. And another very important thing, that is, I have put magnesium powder. Magnesium. Now, where do I get this magnesium? I'll just talk about it. This is the magnesium powder. The seeds of the goat. That is, in Hindi we say petha. In Bengali we say kumro. Kumro or bichi. Seeds. Petha ke jo beej hain. That I have dried it in the sunlight and then I have powdered it. It's good for skin. So I've just taken 1 spoon. Just see, this is so small spoon. I've taken a spoon of it and I have mixed it over here. That is how I have got this magnesium powder. Whatever I have used it, it's totally natural. No artificial things I have used it. Now I will put a teaspoon of almond milk lotion over here. This I have got the mixture in the mixie after doing it. This is the position. After that, I am putting little cocoa glow to it. I hope you can see it. And to it, I will add some rich cocoa butter also. I will add to it. Achha, another thing which I want to say is, to it I have added little chandan powder, neem powder also. I have added to this mixture, neem powder, chandan powder, and chandan essence. That also I have poured in this cream. This is the end product. This is the ultimate cream which I have got Now I've put 3 capsules of vitamin E also, which I missed to tell you all. And I beg my apology to all my viewers because I've mispronounced the word avocado. This is actually avocado, but I have every time I've said avocado. So anyway, I mixed up with my science avogadro's number. Anyway, I'm very sorry for it. It is actually avocado. Okay. Now this cream, as you see itself, avocado is a very expensive fruit. It is rupees 900 per kg. This is the rate. Okay. Now, along with that, I would like to tell you that it will have a very beautiful effect on the skin. Along with that, I have given neem powder also, neem leaves as well as powder. So it will act as an antibacterial, antifungal. And now it is March actually. So during this time, we have skin infection like that. So it is always good to use this type of cream, which is homemade. And though it's a little expensive, but it's very good for skin. I'm repeatedly telling you that it's very good for skin. Acha, another thing is you can use it anytime you want. Just wash your face and use it. And this cream will also act as a scrubber also because I have given you rice powder. Rice powder. It will also have its effect. So please, if you can make it, do make it, or you see the way I have made it. And if you like the way I have made it, please do like, share among your friends, and please tell them that I have mispronounced the word avocado. Avocado. I'm so still sorry. Avocado it is. So it's avocado cream. I think first in YouTube. So please do see it. If you like it, please like, share, and comment and subscribe if you have still not subscribed it. And please press the bell icon, which is just beside the subscribe button, so that whenever I post a video, you get it immediately. Hope to meet you very soon. Till then, stay happy and blessed. Bye bye, friends.